What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJY and I'm back with another episode. Guys, in today's video I want to show you legendary game reacts. Ashanti is 42 years old, have no kids and never been married. Here is the game reaction and this is what he said. It sounds like season greens to me, says West Coast rapper. Here is also Ricola post. He said people love marriages so much. Get over that, it's an outdated construct and it doesn't mean anyone is doing better than those who aren't married. So guys, what you think about this case? Please tell me in comment section. But honestly to say, Ashanti is in beautiful form. She's so beautiful, man. Bro, after so many years in her age, man, she's so beautiful. She's amazing, man. This is true facts, period. Also guys, if you don't know, Game is back in gym, starting a new challenge, and he tries so hard to get his best form, man. So honestly guys, what you think? How you see Game and Ashanti together, man? It seems that Game flirting with Ashanti in social media. Who knows? So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptv.com. Before I will finish the video, I want to show you a video where T.I. crowns CeeLo Green. Check this out.
The CeeLo Green, legendary almighty green